Welcome back to Learn Earn Crypto channel. A quick update on Bitcoin and altcoin price today after the massive sell-off last week. The Bitcoin price dropped to a low 42,000, successfully testing the support between 40,000 and 43,000 with a long week, before closing at 49,000 plus US dollars. Now Bitcoin is trading at 46,900 US dollars and within the immediate support between 45,000 to 51,000 US dollars, which also coincides with the 200-day moving average in a daily time frame. We can expect a sideways movement or consolidation for a few weeks, and Bitcoin has to hold the current support at 46,000 US dollars and needs to break above 53,000 to regain the bullish sentiment. Those without Bitcoin exposure can start to dollar cost average and buy slowly below 50,000 US dollars. Looking at the weekly chart, and from a macro point of view, Bitcoin may be consolidating between 30,000 US dollars and 60,000 US dollars. We may expect a run up next year when it breaks the 65 to 69,000 resistance. $69,000 is not the top for this current market cycle, as there was no huge selling volume from the weekly chart. Unlike the previous cycles in 2014 and in 2017. Most of the altcoins are in buy zone now or in accumulation stage, but you have to buy in different tranches and expect to be underwater or below your average in a few days or weeks. The altcoin market still looks good after the sell-off, considering the Bitcoin dominance chart has not spiked up, which means the money from altcoins are not converted to Bitcoin. Now let's do a quick check on some of the altcoins. NANO against US dollar. Now this is trading at major support at around 3 US dollars, which also served as resistance way back from 2018 and early this year in January and February, before flipping it from resistance to support last July, and now it's trading at the same support area. VeChain against US dollar. After reaching a high at 18 cents early last month, this is now trading at around 7 cents. Would only get a bit concerned if the price closed below the previous low at 5 cents from last July. If not, any price above that will remain as higher low in the current price structure. Similar to Bitcoin and other altcoins, we may see a consolidation for VeChain for a few weeks or few days. So we can see it's possible that it's in a sideways movement between 6 cents to 15 cents. The longer the consolidation period, the bigger is the movement on the breakout. Remember, if the Bitcoin dumps, altcoins will dump harder. Make sure to plan your trades with risk management and with a long-term mindset when investing in crypto assets. That's all for today. If you like this content, do subscribe and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching.